On the edge of the whispering woods, where the trees hummed with ancient songs and rivers carried echoes of forgotten dreams, a small fox named Luma sat beneath the night sky. She watched as tiny golden fireflies danced in the cool air, their flickering lights weaving stories across the darkness. But something was different tonight. There was only one firefly left. Luma's ears perked up as she followed the little glow, flickering weakly. "Are you lost?" she asked. The firefly, Ember, pulsed dimly. "No, I am the last of my kind for this season. When my light fades, the forest will sleep until spring." Luma's heart ached. The fireflies had always been part of the forest's magic, guiding lost souls and whispering forgotten secrets. If Ember's glow faded, would the forest's warmth disappear too? "There must be a way to keep your light alive," Luma declared. Ember flickered. "There is an old tale of the Everbloom, a flower that holds the glow of 1,000 fireflies. But no one has seen it in years." Determined, Luma set off through the midnight forest, guided only by Ember's dimming glow. She crossed misty rivers, where playful otters splashed in the moonlight, and climbed the ancient oak, where wise old owls watched over the land. Finally, she reached the heart of the woods, where a single flower stood beneath a pool of moonlight, the Everbloom. But its petals were closed, its glow hidden. Luma nudged the flower gently. "Please wake up." The wind whispered, carrying the words of the forest. "All lights must rest before they shine again." Luma finally understood. She turned to Ember, who flickered one last time before dimming into the night, his glow softly absorbed into the petals of the Everbloom. As the first frost settled over the forest, the flower pulsed warm and golden, keeping the magic alive until spring. Luma curled up beside it, watching the glow. She smiled, knowing that even in the darkest nights, light always finds its way back. The fireflies would return, and when they did, the forest would shine once more.